that were close to 70 in portions of the state earlier in the day, now dropping back into the 30s. Let me show you the whole weather system. Two sides to every story. Two sides to this weather system. We had the mild, intense side with the thunderstorms. Now the colder side with snow spinning in Minneapolis and also in central portions of Iowa. Our severe weather threat is over. Thunderstorms are now into Ohio, Dayton to Cincinnati, down to Lexington, Kentucky. We're staying dry the rest of the night. Maybe a couple of snow flurries. You can see the warnings now, thunderstorm warnings and one tornado warning north of Dayton as the storms continue to pull away from central Indiana. The wind will not leave. And through the day tomorrow, we still expect very strong winds, turning colder. Temperatures into the upper 20s to low 30s first thing in the morning. And guess what? Next week, Arctic air returns to central Indiana. In the RTV6 backyard, I'm sure he noticed, Kyle did, the change in temperature. Also keeping an eye on some of the storm reports we had tonight. Kyle?
Yeah, Kevin, certainly getting colder here in the backyard. And what's more dramatic is that pretty much all the snow is gone. We've got this little clump of ice. That's literally about all we have left. Well, it was the rain that we were dealing with earlier around Indianapolis. And you can see as we check out some of our traffic cameras around 465, there you can see in Ditch Road, traffic moving pretty good now. That rain has come to an end, but it came down pretty fast and in some sheets. There you see a little bit of that lightning from earlier on, but we had 1/3 of an inch of rain. At least the rain continued to move on, so didn't add too much to the flooding concern. There you can see some of those storm reports. Mainly wind was the concern for us. We had a few hail reports, and those wind gusts around 75 miles per hour near hurricane force gust in Marion, Indiana. 70 miles per hour in Bloomington, Indianapolis, near 60 and 50 for you in Bedford. And they will continue to howl. Now they're just out of a colder direction, out of that west direction, and still you can see those gusts, 32 miles per hour in Indianapolis. You can hear it in the microphone here, and it is certainly bringing in that colder air, Kevin.
And we saw the power of a seasonal transition once again. Whenever we make these big changes, big temperature swings, often there's some rough weather to go with it, and certainly the thunderstorms tonight got our attention. West wind at 22, 38, that's our current temperature. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:31. The sweep is almost complete. You can see the temperatures in the 60s pushing out of the state. It was nice to have some dry weather today with temperatures that warm, and I'm just sure you're going to notice the huge puddles that we have in the morning as a result of snow that continues to melt. Upper 20s, Lafayette to Peru up to Marion for morning temperatures, 35 in the metro area. During the day, Friday, temperatures do climb above 40 degrees, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, 41. That wind will stay west at 20 with higher gusts over 40 miles per hour. There are your modest afternoon highs, modest compared to temperatures that were 20 degrees warmer during the day today. As we go into the weekend, first half of the weekend, the warmer half, chance for some very light snow or snow showers on Sunday. 35 will be the temperature. Well, as you look at next week, keep in mind cold air returns and stays for the entire week. The coldest air arrives as we get to Thursday. 21 will be the temperature. Many spots may be staying in the teens, just trying to get into the lower 20s.